Hi YouTube, welcome back. It's been quite a long time since we recorded this video, so let's get started. All the girls have been curious with one and only one thing. कौन है winner वो mystery prize का? Well, giveaway तो किया है मैंने and here's the winner. Congratulations on winning. बहुत ही late हूँ मैं, I know. Sorry all the girls, but congratulations to you. I'm so happy for you. Parcel मैं आपको personal message भेजूँगी. The day this video will upload it, I'm gonna be sending you message and hopefully you will like it. A gift मैंने कुछ extraordinary नहीं दिया है, but I'm sure a bit of love is much appreciated. So let's remove my makeup. और आप देख सकते हो मेरे स्किन ब्रेकआउट हुआ है. You know the weather बहुत ज़्यादा मॉइस्चर है अभी के वेदर में and right now my skin needs some healing क्योंकि मैं बहुत टाइम से स्किन केयर नहीं कर रही थी. I have been avoiding it and guess what guys, I bought a new product. वो पुराना मेरा favorite but in a bigger version. This is Rice Ceramic Moisturizing Illumisorb. This is a game changer for me. But the problem is कि आप लोग ये दिन में मत यूज़ करना. Especially if you have skin like me, it will clog your pores really easily. It also has a bit strong fragrance. जो मैं फेवर में तो नहीं हूँ, but they don't sponsor me, so I'm gonna give you exactly the correct review you guys should have. तो ये pimple breakout मेरा one of the reason is this. But yeah, also lack of taking care of my skin, improper diet, too much sugar intake, ये सब की वजह से भी ये हुआ है. But mostly I would say because of this, because sugar intake मेरा तो है ही, but after using this product for 4 to 5 days my skin started breaking out again and I figured out the reason क्योंकि अभी weather is bit moisturized, so it is best for us कि अभी हम लोग ऐसा moisturizer use करें which is very light on your face, doesn't clog your pores, especially if you have acne prone and sensitive skin like mine. But yeah, this is a really good product. It really nourishes your skin, so make sure to use it at night. और वो भी बेड पे सोने से आधे घंटे पहले. Guys, please let your skincare settle in. Most important part of all. Let's remove my makeup. So let's talk about what the title says. Is Laneige really worth the hype? I mean, it's good. It's lip balm best. Like बहुत ही अच्छी है उनकी lip balm. But the real problem with Laneige, especially it's उनके moisturizer and the toner. The toner doesn't work for me at all. It doesn't even hydrate my skin. Doesn't do anything. Okay, मुझे जज मत करना. मेरे makeup remover pads out of stock हो गए हैं, so gotta go with old school technique using a napkin. But don't worry, I'm just tapping, no harsh. So yeah, is Laneige really worth the hype? So review में it's good, moisturizer is good, the sleeping mask is good, the face sleeping mask is good. The toner, I'm not quite sure about the toner क्योंकि मेरे लिए उतने promising results नहीं दिख रहे थे. I don't know if you guys can have a promising result from it, then good for you. Okay, मैं face wash करके आती हूँ. Be really back. I washed my face. देखो, this side has been breaking out a lot. So yeah. As I was saying, क्यों मैं उसके खिलाफ हूँ क्योंकि again it is it has a lot of fragrance. बहुत ही fragrance वाली moisturizer, toner and sleeping mask है. I don't care about the lip balm, but I want fragrance-free products when it comes to the things that I want to apply on my face. So here's the mini package. I have still kept the box. जब तक ये मेरा सूख रहा है तब तक मैं ये रिव्यू दे रही हूँ. So this has been completed till this. पूरा ही complete होने आया है. So इसका प्रॉब्लम ये है कि ये बहुत अच्छा काम कर लेता है. But again, just like वो face shop का product जो था, like you have to make sure that you don't use it on day, because if अगर दिन में use कर लिया तो you will have a good chance of getting acne. If अगर मेरे जैसी skin है, you get acne easily. Even a slightest change of weather makes your skin pop. So yeah, ये अच्छा है. मैं इसके इतना भी अगेंस्ट नहीं हूँ. Especially love the packaging. It's cute. This is the only thing that made me buy it. और I guess आप लोग भी मेरे जैसा कर सकते हैं. मैं जिस इसके साथ करने वाली हूँ. And once this gets complete, मैं wash कर दूँगी और I will fill it with my favorite moisturizer. So let me give you a quick alternative. Since ये Laneige का costs around, I don't know, the price is below. If this costs around this, I think you should really try L'Oreal. Like ये इससे सस्ता है. This has cost me what? Again, no price has been written on this. ये बहुत ही अच्छी क्रीम है. This fills up your. I've used this a lot too. It's a really good cream. Comparing both of these, this इसके अंदर retinol है, which you don't have to worry about using retinol. This will help filling fine lines, and this just moisturizes it. But ये moisturize भी देगा, and उसके साथ साथ it will give you a lot of different things. The product is one good alternative. Second is this. This is Vitamin C by Garnier. Wait, I have it. Also good choice. The best. It costs 200 for this. Like सबसे सस्ता है ये, and the most effective of them all. पर ये अगर आप दिन में यूज़ कर रहे हो विटामिन सी, मेक श्योर टू यूज़ इट आफ्टर सनस्क्रीन. एंड मैं इतना बोल रही हूँ जैसे मुझे बहुत ही अच्छे से पता है मेरी ग्लास स्किन है, बट लुक एट माई फेस. बट टेक्निकली मैं बताऊँ तो मैंने 2 महीने से कोई भी स्किन केयर नहीं किया है. आई हैवंट इवन रिमूव्ड माई ब्लैक हेड्स और कुछ भी. तो टोनर मैंने इतना यूज़ किया है बिकॉज एज आई सेड I didn't get that much of effect and I hate the packaging. Like what the hell? क्योंकि अगर मैं हाथ में निकालूंगी तो it just drops dead on the ground. You should really make it more effective. Like the homemade rose water that I use has given off more results than this toner could ever. Like that moisturizes my skin, and that moisturizes my skin and also leaves it glowy and dewy. ये easy to absorb है. Yes, unlike rose water, you have to wait few minutes out. जो पानी की तरह धीमे धीमे सक होगा आपके फेस के अंदर. Just like आप बीच में या पूल में से निकलते हो तो it takes a bit of time for the water to get out of the face. But इस प्रोडक्ट्स की वजह से मेरे स्किन को ब्रेकआउट होना शुरू हुआ है. That is why I stopped using the toner, moisturizer and the sleeping mask. बहुत लोगों को पसंद आएगा, नहीं आएगा. It is milky and all, but if I recommend, I again recommend homemade rose water, या फिर in once in a week for exfoliating your skin you can go ahead and use the glycolic acid by Minimalist. Or I have no complaints against the sleeping mask. It is good, मना नहीं करूँगी मैं. It leaves your all the other जो भी स्किन केयर आपने इससे पहले किया है वो बहुत ही easily आपका स्किन ऑब्जर्व कर देगा and it just makes your skin dry out. Or sometimes it doesn't make my skin dry out. Instead, it makes my skin so dewy. So I stopped using that too. मैं नहीं तो मैं मेरी मम्मी को दे दूँगी because she has some tough ass skin. Maybe I should join Team Vico too. My mom only uses Vico turmeric. मैं भी पहले वही यूज़ करती थी until I became an adult. मैं teenager में भी नहीं करती थी कुछ. The age it has been 5 years since I've got interest in all these being girly and all. But yeah. But to be honest, जब मैं कुछ भी यूज़ नहीं कर रही थी, my skin was a lot better. Like. So, in conclusion, you shouldn't go and buy Laneige अगर आपके पास इतना बजट नहीं हो तो. Yeah, I love the packaging. जो पैकेजिंग की वजह से भी मुझे भी बाय करने की इच्छा जाग उठी थी. But let's be real, come on. अगर स्किन अगर तुम्हारी ब्रेकआउट करेगी और तुम्हारी स्किन ऊपर से बिगड़ जाएगी, what's the purpose of using it if it gives nothing but pain to you? So yeah, this is my skincare routine, and as I said, conclusion, don't go and buy Laneige out of the blue because आप वो पैसे कहीं और सही जगह यूज़ कर सकते हैं. But go ahead and buy the lip balm. I won't say no to that. It is amazingly moisturizing and thick. The thickness is on top. Yeah. Good night.